Today we're in Westgate in Montego Bay. Yes, this is Jared Street. To my subscriber, I know it's a long time you haven't seen these parts. So this is Harbour City. Look at the fountain here.
1081.
Right here in Harbour City.
Yeah man, welcome to Jamaica. The sun has shine so bright and clear. Island Max showing the beauty right here. The white sand beaches, the water so blue. Come feel the culture, it running right through. Island Max showcasing Jamaica. Island Max showcasing Jamaica.
Today we're in Westgate in Montego Bay, and as you can see, construction is in full swing in this area. They're going to be laying some pipes. They're going to be widening the bridge here. So much work to go on here on this side of Montego Bay. We're going to make our way around town and then finally into Harmony Beach Park. Yes, something special is going to be held there today. Alright, so we're going to be driving along here in Westgate to Barnett Street. Drive along Barnett Street and then onto the Howard Cook Boulevard. So they did some repaving or some resurfacing here, as you can see. And we're gonna wait for a green light to continue on Barnett Street. We got the green light, let's go. Alright, so let me know who's watching this video and where is it you're watching from. Thanks for tuning in. This is Island Max here in bright and sunny Montego Bay. Yeah man, we're gonna make our way. We hope that we won't get caught in too much traffic. Probably I talk too soon, but we're gonna make our way along Barnett Street. Also, one of our subscribers asked us to check out Jared Street. I have to remember where we find Jared Street. Yeah, we're gonna try to find that street as well to show them that's where they grew up. So we're doing them a favor and we're gonna do that video today as well. So much to get done today. We're gonna hit the road. Let's go. And so the traffic slowly building up. The drivers convert here into 3 lanes, 2 going up Barnett Street and 1 going back to Westgate. This is what it looks like. It's a busy weekday. Even the JOTC bus ahead is stuck in traffic. So the construction of the Montego Bay bypass, the widening of the road there in West Green and Catchinall, all of these works are causing the traffic that we are experiencing in Montego Bay. Alright, let's try to go in the right lane that the driver has created because we want to make the turn. Let's wait our turn and here we go. So we're going around this side of the car jar area. We're going to make a right turn. We're expecting some rains later this afternoon. As you can see, the conditions just changed a while ago. It gets slightly cooler. Alright, let's make the right turn. Nice. So the Carjar Plaza is on the right. Golden Delight Bakery is that pink wall you're seeing there. It's a bakery. Golden Delight Bakery Limited. So this street is called the Dudley Cassin Drive. Yes, Dudley Cassin Drive. That's the name of this street. If we turned on our right, that would have carried us back into the Westgate region. Yeah man, traffic is building up in Montego Bay. Discount hardware is also in this area. Tiles and lumber and hardware store. Yellow hardware is on the right. So when last have you traveled through these parts of Montego Bay? Let me know. Alright, so we're not going up Trinity Crescent. We're gonna turn left here. Lovely. Again, do remember to tap that subscribe button, like the video. This is this is one part of Trinity Crescent here. Car Crescent is on the right. Why I can't remember Jarrett Street? See which one of these roads around here. Subscriber again sending us on a mission. Alright, so we're going across Cottage Road. Makati. Alright, let me continue here. Let's go on to Thompson Street. When last have you driven on Thompson Street? Let me know in the comment section. This is what Thompson Street looks like. You have auto parts place here. Yeah man, this place is a mixed use place. It's residential, but you find businesses here as well. It's the same old buildings that just transform into business. So it's like homes and they transform it into buildings. Early childhood places here as well. So that's Thompson Street, and this is Collymore Drive. Let's go make the right turn here. Long time we haven't passed through this part of Montego Bay, you know. This is Collymore Drive. Lovely, lovely. And Leroy's Auto Repairs is right here on the left as well. Yeah. So what about Colonel Lee Avenue? This is Colonel Lee Avenue Primary School. I know it's a long time you haven't seen these parts of Montego Bay, and I'm gonna show you, man. So let's go on Colonel Lee Avenue now. So they put in the railings here for the students. Lovely sidewalk as well. Lovely. This school was established in 1940. And then after Colonel Lee, it's infant school. The Montego Bay Infant School is on the right. Let's continue. Yep. Straight on Colonel Lee Avenue. When last have you seen these parts of Montego Bay? Let's continue straight. And then we're gonna make the left turn here. Is this Jarrett Street? Let me ask quickly. Yes, this is Jarrett Street. To my subscriber who requested that I go on Jarrett Street. This is what Jarrett Street looks like here in 2026. Found it eventually. Just beautiful. Let me take my time so you can see what's going on. So a lot of auto repair shops are here. My Impact Auto is here as well. Chin's Radio Sales. This is the back of Chin's Radio Sales, the business. Lovely. automotive. Yeah, man, a lot of car place. Thompson Street, all of these streets. A lot of car places, auto parts, etc. you find on these streets, right? Liberty Complex is on the left. There's a Supreme Ventures retailer here on the left as well. Ah, they have a water store here on the right. It's Uptown Refill. So this is what Jared Street looks like. So the subscriber said that they actually grew up on this street. So a lot of the buildings they're seeing were actually houses before being converted to business. Straight ahead is Montego Bay's number 2 post office. Let's go. So this area is called the Clock area. So we're going on Cottage Road. So the last part here at the bottom of Cottage Road. And so this area is called the Clock area. And we're going off Cottage Road now and onto Barnett Street. This is Barnett Street. Barnett Street in all its glory, man. So the Burger King is right here on the right. And the delivery guys are here with their bikes. Popeyes is here as well. Wonder why they put the Burger King right here where they know parking is an issue. Yeah. They know that parking is an issue here and they have Burger King and Popeyes at the same place. Whoa, right on the roadside. Alright, so Bashko is right here on the left. Yes, Bashko. We're taking you to the parts of Montego Bay, Jamaica where you don't normally see on the internet. I'm telling you. If you search, you won't find it that easily. J&J Pharmacy is on the right. If we turn left, that will carry down to the Charles Garden Market. Bike man going through. I think there's traffic down by if we go down to the market, you know. Yes. So we can't reach down there today. Again, the market is still without roof. All of the hurricane relief money, you know, that could have been used to fix up the schools without roofs, the market without roof. Yes. I don't know what's happening. The release of the relief money is slow. And they need to patch road here on Barnett Street as well. Alright, listen to the sounds of Moby. So Colonel the Avenue, where we're coming from, is right here on the right. So the students will use this pedestrian crossing to go to Colonel the Barracks Road and Montego Bay Infant. Pop Lawrence Road is on the left. Look at Barnett Street buzzing with life. Enjoying the sunshine for now because I know rain going to fall later. Yeah, man. See, they have a sale out here on the left. Yeah, I think it's a closing down sale they have for that store there. See some buildings, they're doing some construction on the left. Yes, my. Barracks Road is to the left. Barracks Road is to the right. To the left is Catherine Lane. There's a bakery right here as well. So I'm teaching you how to navigate Montego Bay. If you're going to be traveling to Jamaica for the first time, you're coming this side of the island. Now you know exactly how to navigate the second city. Yes, Montego Bay is Jamaica's second city. It needs some TLC, needs some touching up. but it's rich in culture, man. I'm telling you, full of vibes. We're still on Barnett Street. There's a Total Tools hardware on the right. The green building there. The green building is actually a MoneyGram, a Western Union. There's also the Best Value supermarket on the right. Thrifty gas station is here. One of the cheapest gas stations in Montego Bay. Right here on the left. Lovely. Rastaman pushing his cart, selling his sky juice. Yeah, man, he has ice covered up there. So it's like shaved ice or a snow cone, right? That's the type of product he's selling. Full of vibes, man. You can get your clothing items as well for sale. So again, one of the major problems right now in terms of moving about the city is traffic. I guess the government, after the constructions are complete, we will have easier passage through the city of Montego Bay. Garbage truck here collecting the garbage. More construction. The Chinese are doing some construction here as well. Sky Juice man actually take up the lane. Sky Juice, respect. Police station is right here. 14 Barnett Street Police Station is here on the right. Come on. Green light ahead. Let's go. Courts is on the left. Bird Shack, right. So another chicken place is right here. Bird Shack. The park, the bus park is on the left. Lovely. Police are here. The fire station is on the left as well. Harbour Street is right here. Let's see what's happening on Harbour Street to the right. Busy times here in Montego Bay. So this is Harbour Street. Why it's called Harbour Street? By the way, that's the craft market. Whoa, I need to go get something over the craft market. Whoa, they have some lovely items, man. So it's called Harbour Street because there was actually a harbour straight ahead. Was the harbour. You could banana boats used to pull up and they load on banana right here because the sea actually came inland. The sea was actually came up to this section here. Right? So this would be a port. Green light, I don't want to block the intersection, so I'll wait until the intersection is cleared before I proceed. Alright, let's go. Nice. Alright, we cleared the intersection now, so we're good. So this is the Bay West area. Bay West Shopping Center is to the right, to the left, sorry. Yes, to the left. Western Plaza is to the right. So these vehicles on the left, they are going to be parked. We want to get some parking at the Bay West Plaza. The parking is actually underground or in the basement. Island Grill is on the right. Embassy Place Road is on the right as well. We're going to continue straight. Pizza Hut is on the left. KFC is on the left. Montego Bay Road is on the right. Stoplight here is not working. This stoplight is constantly out of service. I'm telling you, it's crazy. Alright, that's Harmony Beach Park way over there. And straight, if we continued straight, that would have carried us onto the hip strip. If you want to know what the hip strip is like, remember to check out all our videos. Yeah man, we've done a lot of videos on Montego Bay's hip strip. Alright, so we're gonna wait before we turn left. Alright, let's go. Let's go in the rightmost lane. Ah, the road down here is damaged. Look at this. So this is the Howard Cook Boulevard. We're going over to Harbor City first before we go to Harmony Beach Park. So we keep right. There's a juicy beef. There's a juicy patties over there as well. See the sign right here? Yes. Alright, the green light is here. Not sure I'll be able to catch it, but we're gonna turn. Red light caught us here. We're gonna turn to the right to go to Harbor City. See them doing some work on the rooftop ahead here. That's the LOJ. Well, it's now the Sagicor Commercial Center in Montego Bay here. Alright, so we're gonna be turning left, waiting on the light here to go over to Harbor City. All right, let's go. Lovely. Let's see what's happening over here. So this is Harbor City. Pier 1 is actually behind me in that direction. Look at this lovely shopping center. Chinese built. Yes. I'll show you around this side. Look at this. The Sheen store is here. 876 Sheen store. Just a beautiful shopping space. Just lovely. Let's see what's happening over by Pier 1. Look at the damage to the roof there. So this is the road that will carry you to Pier 1. They have another car park on the right there. By the way, the car park at Harbor City is where they keep the event Sunday Souls. Whoa. Work is really needed around this part. What happened to the drainage here? And the sea is right there. So we're going to have to drive through this pool. My. It's crazy. So this is Pier 1 here. This is the lovely Pier 1 restaurant and grill. A beautiful entertainment spot right here. So them done to some work. They put the stone along the seawall here. Just stunning. From the cold front, they had some damage here, and also from the hurricane. So they just pack some debris here, pack some stuff, and then put the stones there as well to prevent further damage to the coast here. Nuts for the express, the bus that will carry you from Montego Bay to Kingston. They have a depot right here on the left. Straight ahead, that's the old tax office building. You ask me what's the name of this street I'm on? It's the Harbour Circle South Street. Harbour Circle South. My, so to exit and enter Pier 1, we have to go through this puddle. And there's a car wash here on the left. You see the amount of damage that the hurricane has left us with? Damage upon damage. Yeah. Let's slow down here. This is where the Sunday Souls event is held. Beautiful parking lot. Just lovely. We're going in the Juicy Beef to get a patty. We're in park right here. Lovely, lovely shopping center. And we're gonna make our way straight over there so to Juicy Beef. Look at the fountain here. Beautiful.
Number 1081. 1081.
I mean?
Call the number.
Look at this lovely I Love Montego Bay sign. Sorry, boss. Beautiful. Right here in Harbour City. And yes, we have Tesla Cybertrucks here in Jamaica. Yeah man, Jamaica have everything. And see the charging station there for the right seat here. You can charge your electric vehicles. So let's make our exit from this Harbour City. So that was Harbour City. Let's go over to Harmony Beach Park now. That's the back of 876 Sheen Fashion store here in Montego Bay. Alright, we got the green light. Police passing through. So we're gonna make the left turn here. This is the entrance to the best park in Montego Bay, the Harmony Beach Park. Alright, so this is it. So some changes make over here. What's happening here? A beautiful, beautiful space this is. Look how lovely it is. So they're going to actually have a plant sale over here. Yes. I think the forestry agency going to have a plant sale over here. And we're going to check it out. They haven't started as yet. But we want to see what and what and get and what we can get to plant. Look at this amazing view here of Harmony Beach Park. Just lovely. That's one end coming right around. That's the next end over there. You can just hang out And a lot under the trees there. Yes, you can just hang out under the trees. Lovely, lovely space. Play areas for the children, etc. Beautiful. So I believe today's the last day of school. Yes, today's actually a Friday. Today they said it's the last day of school. They have some term break, mid-term breaks. But I mean, this lovely space. This area was once dump up, you know. I know it went before it was developed, you know. This was where dump up used to be, and it's now transformed into Harmony Beach Park. Lovely. So you have the lifeguards over there. The beach is here. You have to rent a tent. I mean, you have to rent an umbrella and a chair. You can't bring a tent here. Sometimes it gets a bit hot here as well. Just a lovely space. You can cool out. Beautiful. Nice sea grape tree. See the grapes on the tree here. A nice little shade you can chill out. The beach is cleaned up. Yeah, they cleaned out the beach, etc. Alright? Alright, let's go over to where they're keeping the plants here. So that was Harmony Beach Park over there on the left for the plant sale. As you can see, they have fruit trees, shade trees, everything over there for sale, and it's a good look. Remember, after the hurricane we lost a lot of our fruit trees, etc. And so it's a good thing for Montego Bay now. They're hosting this plant sale here. So this is a section of Hip Strip, the Jimmy Cliff Boulevard. This is what it looks like here. We're going straight to the intersection. Again, thank you so much for tuning in. I mean, you've seen Montego Bay in its busiest state, and as you can see, the time is changing, the weather is changing. We're expecting some rains very soon. This is the Queen's Drive that we're going on. We have to wait to return, but thank you so much for tuning in. This is Island Max. Tap on the video now, seeing on your screen, and I'll see you in a bit. One love, Jamaica.